morning Instagram, good morning Twitter. How's everybody feeling today? It's the 1st of May. We're in a little sell position here. First 30-minute resistance candle that formed. 4 hours of relatively getting to the close here. Wanted to probably into this position. Looking at secure 1-to-1 here at like 36 pips. Let's see. Yeah, pretty much 36 pips. So just everybody kind of has an idea like why I'm entering this position. I'll kind of explain here. Got a lot of resistance forming right here. First bearish candle that formed. I wanted to take that opportunity and get into the position at that point. We potentially could fall down, or we could even maybe even hold support here. It's definitely like it's definitely a possibility here. We could hold support and make a new support. So uh, we gotta be careful. Gotta be relatively delicate. I still feel more confident with the sales. That's why I entered it. Hey, my boy. Good to see you, dog. I like the new account too, man. Looks really sharp. Look very good, bro. Golden, man. What's happening, Brody? Glacius, my boy. We got into a small sell position here. Got into the position because it is the first resistance candle here. 4 hours. Gonna be printing pretty much new here in a little bit. Fuck yeah, bro. That's what I'm talking about. Hell yeah, bro. Golden, bro. That's hard. I definitely like it, bro. I think it's dope. I think it's dope. Especially if you trading gold, you know? So we was at like almost 36 pips. It was like a 31 pips. I almost considered closing 50%, but then I was just like, nah, I'm gonna hold it full because last week I started closing kind of early on my positions. Not that it was bad, but I want to see more how I do if I hold my 1-to-1. But now that I'm starting to hear drawdown, I'm kind of like, oof, I don't know if I want to be in this. I think if it goes like down there again, I might give it a chance. If it starts rejecting, like if we go like 30 pips, 34 pips, and then it doesn't go to 36, and we start nearing towards like 30 pips, I'm just gonna take profit there. Hey, bro, fuck yeah, bro. It's all good, bro. You know what I'm saying? Going ghost for a little bit ain't too bad. You know what I'm saying? Get your mind right. You know what I'm saying? Get ready for the trades and all types of shit like that, bro. You know, it's definitely always needed once in a while. Yeah, I think it's a great idea. Hold on, buddy. My bad. It's getting to a point where I'm trying to debate if I should close full now because I was just so close to my take profit. I don't know if I want to even deal with drawdown. This position's starting to weird me out. Hold on, buddy. I'm gonna respond to you in a second. I just gotta be focused here. Son of a gun. Yeah. Looking to close full here pretty soon, to be honest. Don't like what I'm seeing. Yeah, buddy. So I think at this point, man, I almost want to close full just because I'm like, yeah, don't know if I want to risk anymore. Yeah, most likely gonna close full here. Yeah, we're just gonna close full. I don't like how that's starting to close. This candle could easily flip in this next 15 minutes, but the fact that I was up 30 pips and we're only 6 pips away from that initial take profit, in that moment, I really felt like at that point I should at least secure 50% of my position and then just move my stop loss at break even. That'd have been like the most safest way to play the position. Of course, I could have held this full, but personally, I just want to make sure all my losses are small at this point. Um, it is relatively negated because I normally would risk 3% a day. But still, it's one of them things where, ooh, don't want to get myself in a position where obviously I'm hurting and I could have been profitable somewhat, obviously. But hey, Golden, let me read what you got here, buddy. Building this account for education, which is beautiful. Do you like the new name? Of course, Golden's Heart for a brand. Hell yeah, bro. Yeah, I want you to grow that shit, bro. I think it's a good idea, bro. Went ghost for a while. Went ghost mode for a while. The stream journal's almost done. Beautiful. And keeping my focus on my journey as well. I'm about to turn 17, bro. That's amazing, bro. You're about to be turning 17. You're on the right track, bro. You're doing really well, man. Just keep it up. Keep it good, level-headed, bro, and you will be able to be very successful within these markets, dog. You know, especially since you're 17, bro, or about to be turning 17, bro. That's major, dog. You know what I'm saying? Keep stacking that bread. Get you a fucking side job. Get you a job somewhere, bro. And just start hustling. Get that paper up, man. Put that money in that account. Gold is just wild these days, and GJ, damn, bro, at 170. I know, yeah, that shit fucking flew. We have a wild week ahead. Golden, as Raha said, could not be in your streams for a couple of weeks. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, so it's decent. Big worry though with that 15-minute candle here. Either 15-minute candle's either gonna shoot up and fly up, which had the back of my head after it started kind of rejecting. That's why I decided to close full. Or this 15 minutes is gonna help our bias out. And it's definitely gonna flood, flood back down. All we needed was like a little bit more here. I'd have been able to hit my full take profit, but unfortunately, we weren't able to do that. But this is what's gonna be the thing. Honestly, I feel like if I would have held my position full, we could still be potentially a dub. It was relatively good risk management, but personally, I feel like I needed to have better trade management because 30 minutes ago, I'd say maybe 30, 15 minutes ago, something like that. I wouldn't say 30 minutes. That was about 15 minutes ago, 14, 13 minutes ago. This candle came down. I should have done something better with securing some type of profits at that point. I'm so close to my fucking 1-to-1, mine as well, right? 50% it, put stop loss and break even. If anything else goes past that, then we're securing more than our 1-to-1. So that would be pretty helpful for our trade management. But unfortunately, position started rejecting against us, and you know, I just didn't like playing around up here, especially when I was like 2 pips away from take profit. So, you know, it is what it is there. Hell yeah, dog. Um, so I wanted to just kind of cut that little quick there. Obviously, it's starting to kind of trade back down, which kind of hurts the soul a little bit. But taking a small loss here is not too bad. Being a Monday, I felt some type of way. All this consolidation right here, we could easily end up forming a support and shooting back up. Obviously, trend is very bullish. You know, you have to keep that in the back of your mind. But you gotta understand, price is going to be sustainable for a certain amount of time, and then will retrace. So this is the moment where I did believe that price will retrace, and you know, it's starting to play relatively in our favor in this moment. If I was to hold full, but I'm not too worried about it. You know what I'm saying? It's just it's a Monday, and we're always ready for the next trade for tomorrow. So there's just a million and one opportunities in these markets, and that's kind of I just have to look at it. So fortunately, I ended up closing full there, which kind of sucks. Definitely don't like starting the week off like that, especially when it's starting to flood back down again. You know, makes you think, well, oh well. But yeah, yes sir, yes sir. But yeah, bro, Golden, bro. My boy Glacius, I really think this is amazing that you're doing what you're doing, bro. You're a young guy, man. Just keep it up, man. Keep a positive attitude in life, bro. You know what I'm saying? Respect your family, dog. Man, you gonna be successful as hell. Yes sir, yes sir. Win a lot, yup. Oh God, Brody. But yeah, guys, honestly, don't feel like entering any other positions at this point. I could wait. You know what I'm saying? We could wait for like, you know, this position to flood down, wait for the retracement, play it back up type stuff. But it is what it is. Watching it like this kind of like sucks because I'm like, ooh, easily could have held it. But yeah, was a little bit, of course, overboard my little bit of my risk management. But this will build my confidence when I see this more and more to hold full on my positions, you know? But either way, guys, thank you so much for tapping into my stream today. Golden, be really looking forward to seeing you tomorrow, buddy. Yes, sir. I really 100%. We will. We gonna make it, brother. You know what I'm saying? Just gotta keep it up every single day. I'm gonna be studying a lot more. I'm gonna be hitting some of my SRC videos. I'm gonna be just trying to get some more knowledge. Trying to look at some capital hungry videos. Trying to get a little bit more information on macroeconomics. Get a little bit better with that. Take a look ahead of our week. See how we're gonna look. So 9 a.m. we got ISM PMI. Wow. So coming up real soon. And that position starting to work out. Oof, that's a little unfortunate. A little unfortunate. But then tomorrow, Joe's Java opening. Yes, sir. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love to hear that, man. Oh my goodness, and this is actually gonna run full too, probably. Yeah, for real. There's a lot of stuff going on this week. Prices at all-time highs and stuff like that. Be quite interesting to see. PMI might just go crazy for us too. Oof, oh man, it's unfortunate. Yeah, it's really unfortunate, honestly, because that would be full take profit pretty much right there. It goes a little piss past that. I mean, yeah, you know that makes me understand. I just got a whole full. You know, this happened to me a couple last week a little bit, but nothing too bad. You know what I'm saying? It's just one of those things where in the moment, boy, it gets you nervous. It gets you nervous, especially when you was like a couple pips away from your take profit and it starts going against you. You just think, man, taking a full on loss here after being like 2 pips away from, you know, initial take profit can be quite frustrating. You know, so I'm not disappointed with how I managed this position, but at the same time, it doesn't surprise me that this position is actually going in the direction I wanted it to go. So the fact it's not surprising, of course, you know, fucks with you a little bit because you know you could have been profitable today rather than taking a small loss. But you know, is what it is. 10 minutes up until ISM. I don't even know if I want to look at it, guys. To be honest, I'm just probably gonna close the stream because you know, we ended up risk managing a little too much today. Should being Monday, fuck it. It was 1.5%. I gotta always keep that in my head. Just fuck it, man. So 1.5%, bro. Let it run. You know. But that's what I get. That's what I get. You know, I take a small loss instead of being, you know what I'm saying, I put the full risk on. I just gotta take that full risk, you know? I closed early. I was I guess scared of losing, and that's what happens. And that's why honestly, you can't be scared to lose every time, you know? This is that exact reason. I mean, honestly, holding this here, stop loss break even, that's there's no worries about that at that point. We could have closed half, stop loss break even at this point. And then at this point, you could let it run because we have a whole ISM report coming up. Either it's gonna fucking shoot up because it's very bullish and could potentially be the case because of the ISM report, or we can continue with what's going on right now and keep continuing to flood down even more, which would only result in more profits. So definitely, man, a little butthurt on this position here, especially looking at how it is now. Only one thing and one thing only on my mind is fuck, fuck, and fuck. To be honest, but oh, that looks bad. See, that looks bad. That looks bad. That's overboard, 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 overboard. A little too overboard. My risk management. I mean, whew, position there is just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Mm, 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 mm. All right, boys. Yeah, I'm just gonna update this. Mm. So I make sure say I close full up right up on here. It's overboard the risk management. See, I would say I close full right around this area, around the top of that wick. Yep, right around the top of that wick. Plus what it's doing now, my goodness, 550 pip, bro. Ooh, that's not good, buddy. It's a silly move for me. Alright, boys. Well, probably just gonna just hop off this mug here. Don't want to stay on too much longer, to be honest. I feel pretty down bad now that I fucking took myself out of a losing position here. Um, Not to mention we had 2 more minutes and then fucking PMI comes in, so it's just like, wow. I don't even want to look at it because I feel like it's just gonna flood down, and I'm just gonna be like, fuck. And the worst thing I hate, I don't like the word should. I'm not gonna be telling myself I should have done this, should have done that, because that's like the biggest like wishy-washy fucking word you could ever hear. I do not like using that word. So just looking forward for next time and my next opportunity at this point. Anyways though, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Golden, my boy. Oh man, I love tuning in with you, man. I love the new brain you got growing. Keep it up, man, and let's keep each other keep each other accountable and ready for tomorrow as well. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my stream today. I appreciate